So I played football in college, and out of college, I actually went to the University of Kansas. I was a graduate assistant football coach, and as soon as I was done with that, I got into the mortgage industry just as a green bean, didn't know what I was doing. And very shortly, I had my own branch, and then as soon as I started hiring people, I started buying leads, and as soon as I started buying leads, I started coming across veterans and VA loans. Didn't know anything about it at the time. This was 2008. Subprime was still around, so most people were going with subprime loans rather than taking the VA route. And I actually had a good mentor who taught me that VA loans were actually a more stable loan, more beneficial to the client, and I actually learned the intricacies of those early. And I always just had a very good relationship with veterans because I'm a kind of no nonsense transactional guy. So when I need something, I ask for it. I tell you why I need it, and most of the time, it's provided to me. We don't have to beat around the bush. If you want the loan, then you give me what I need. If you don't want the loan, then let's not work together. It's no harm, no foul. Move on. So I've always taking great pride in helping veterans. I help veterans get into homes that they never thought they could afford for some reason. They just don't know what the guidelines are like. They thought they'd have to come up with a huge down payment, or they didn't think they could afford the monthly payment. But the fact of the matter is most people were spending more in rent than they were in their brand new dream home. As far as cash out refinances, streamlined refinances, I mean, I'm able to consolidate debt, save veterans thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars a month and thousands of dollars over a year. Which adds up over 30 years. And then on the streamlined refinance, the veterans, the VA loan allows you to drop your interest rate without having to requalify. No appraisal, no verification of income. If I do a loan for you at 3.5 and rates hit 3%, I'm calling you. You don't have to worry about it. I've already, you're on my radar. So I take care of my vets. I make sure that I'm there for you when you need me. And I always work well with veterans. I've got great reviews, and I love working with vets and giving back for the sacrifices they've given to me.